I'm Dave Miller from Enterprise Bank, Senior Vice President, and I manage our commercial loan program at the bank. Enterprise is a small business only bank. We've been in business approximately 14 years, located just north of the city in Allison Park. And we specialize in financing startup businesses and businesses in a turnaround situation. Well, what I find very interesting about what I do on a daily basis as a business banker or a lender that's focused on small businesses, you're taking an entrepreneur who by nature is a risk taker and a bank who by nature is trying to mitigate or minimize the risk to the extent possible. And you're in the middle of that tug of war between those two philosophies. And somewhere in the middle is where a small business loan makes sense for both parties. And that's really the interesting part, is the creativity and the problem solving that goes into finding a happy medium between those two very different risk profiles. One of the things that makes our business model at Enterprise Bank so unique, outside of the fact that we're 100% devoted to the small business market, is each of our lenders kind of operates a small business of his or her own within the confines of the bank, where they share in the success or failure of their loans. They're responsible for running their own departments, and it gives them some empathy and some understanding for the day-to-day challenges that their business owner clients are facing. As far as what I'd look back on as a business decision, that if I had to make that decision every day of my life, I would make the same one, which is staying in this region. I had opportunities over the years, both when I was at SBA and now in banking, to move to bigger positions in other markets. But there's something special about Western Pennsylvania and about our small business community, the work ethic here, the cultural differences in this area. I'm glad I've stayed here and hope to finish my career in this part of the country. The few key people I'd really want to thank is Al Jones, who gave me my first shot to really grow at the SBA when he was the district director. Chuck Lai, who's the president of Enterprise Bank, and has given me a lot of freedom to grow the small business lending at the bank. And I also want to thank St. Vincent Small Business Center for nominating me for this. They're a valuable resource that I've been involved with for a number of years.